mga PDAX, we are starting soon. Invite your friends to come watch because we are here for a good time. Alright, see you in a bit. Shoutout kay Kim. Shoutout kay Jamir. Shoutout kay Nicholas. Welcome. Crypto News Week. Hello mga PDAX, welcome. To those just tuning in, welcome. Please like and share the stream so we can get a lot more viewers for a chance to also win prizes. No? So like and share na. We'll be starting at exactly 5 p.m. We'll starting 5 p.m. Thank you. Three, two, one, and we are live. Good afternoon mga kapidax and welcome to Crypto News Weekly, where we discuss the latest and greatest news in cryptocurrency, no? And the world that we are always so engrossed in kasi very global yung pag-news, balita sa cryptocurrency, no? So hello mga kapidax, shoutout naman tayo dyan. Let's start with the daily roll call for who's here. Hello ulit kay Kim, kay Jamir, Niklaus, Grace, Malyari, Vincent, Michelle, and Reynaldo. Welcome. Thank you for coming in and tuning in, no? We appreciate your time and you coming to join us, no? So, first things first, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Kyle and I'm your host today for Crypto News Weekly, no? And if this is really your first time, we discuss the latest news that's happened over the week. So we do this every week on PDAX, where we want to share the latest news so that you can keep being informed with the latest crypto news. So before we begin, I just wanted to ask everyone, isang favor lang, if everyone could just like or react to this video, tsaka i-share natin to sa mga kaibigan natin, share natin sa newsfeed natin. Bakit? Kasi nag-giveaway, may pag-giveaway tayong PDAX t-shirt, no? So, tong t-shirt na to, hindi namin binibenta tong t-shirt na to, guys. So, if you guys want that chance to win a PDAX t-shirt, then please like and share naman yung stream na to. Alright? Okay ba yan? Tag natin mga friends natin. Comment rin tayo dyan. Kasi more chances to win yan. Alright? Okay, so I guess we'll get started now, right here. And we'll just start it off with the usual disclaimers now. So, first and foremost, the views and opinions that are expressed in this webinar are only that of the presenters and do not necessarily reflect the company's views. The statements being made are not to be treated as investment advice. Please exercise caution when buying and selling cryptocurrencies as they are highly volatile. And finally, if this is your first time again tuning in, welcome. PDAX, which stands for the Philippine Digital Asset Exchange, is the BSP licensed digital asset exchange that allows Filipinos to buy and sell digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, BCH, USDT, USDC, Link, Uni, GRT, ENG, BAT, and COMP. No, so right now we have 14 live tokens that are trading on the exchange, and we have many more coming soon. So we want you to stick around and watch out for those new tokens that we plan to list. No? So you can get started at our website, pdax.ph, or you can download our app. Nasa App Store, Apple App Store po siya, or sa Google Play Store, or kung naka-Huawei device kayo, nasa Huawei App Gallery. Yan. Available for download and free to start and very easy to begin. Alright? Alright. Sige. So, yung sinabi ko kanina, ask questions, comment your thoughts, and share this Facebook Live. Share natin, guys. Let's get at least 100 viewers watching at the same time for a chance to win a PDAX t-shirt. I just wanted to remind everyone that we have the Refer a Friend promo that is extended until the end of September, no? So wake me up when September ends nga yung sinabi nila sa mga sa song, 'di ba? So ito, refer a friend until September ends. Ayun. So for every friend that you refer, you'll be getting 50 pesos worth of Bitcoin, no? Up to 10,000 pesos, I believe. So invite lang kayo ng friends so that you can get more Bitcoin. Sila rin magkakaroon ng Bitcoin. So more mechanics are available on our Facebook page. You can check it out on our facebook.com/pdaxph. And you can learn more about the mechanics there. May link naman dyan. Pero it's as simple as referring your friends, sharing your code, and then kung magamit nila at mag-verify sila within a certain period of time, I think it's 1 week, then they will get 50 pesos. Both you and your friend will get 50 pesos. So, with that being said, I just wanted to say hello. Si Henry, nangungumusta kay XRP. We'll get there, sir. Kay Aaron, good afternoon, sir. Hi, Grace. Thank you for inviting your friend. No? So we'll be having our usual news, and then afterwards we'll also have a Kyle's Trading Corner just so we can get things started. No? I know na parang very highly requested yung Trading Corner. So we'll do our best again to share our thoughts about the market and do some basic technical analysis. Okay ba yan mga kapidax? Let us comment naman one if we agree. If we agree with that. Sige, let us begin. So, first things first. Walmart investigates how fake press release of its partnership with Litecoin got posted. So, earlier this week, there was an announcement on routers saying na Walmart is now going to offer pay with Litecoin, no? So you will now be able to pay with Litecoin. That's what routers posted and other highly reputable news sources. However, it was confirmed and denied. It was denied rather by Walmart na fake yung mga news na yan. And actually, during that time, umakyat si Litecoin and then bumaba, no? So following the fake news of its partnership with Litecoin, Walmart Inc. says it is looking into how the fraudulent press release was issued. The Litecoin Foundation and Charlie Lee are also investigating the matter. In addition, Globe Newswire says it will also work with authorities to request and facilitate a full investigation, including into any criminal activity associated with this matter. So, ayun, guys, sana wala tayo dun, walang bumili, or maybe if you had Litecoin, then maybe it was a good time to sell. Siguro it was a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. Pero even then, it was a very volatile time for Litecoin. Even on the exchange, we saw a spike, and then bumaba yung Litecoin kasi fake pala yung news. So, sana hindi kayo nasunog dun. Pero even though that happened, I think Litecoin still holding steady back at its previous, wherever it was before nag-announce yung announcement nito. So, overall, I think it's good that there are investigations that are happening. Pero I would like to really wonder what really prompted it, diba? Parang, how did routers get this news in the first place? Parang, sino ba nag-manipulate or whatnot? There are talks rin around na pump and dump scheme, something of that sort have happened. So it's really interesting to find to investigate further. No? So hopefully we can get the answer to that. And syempre we'll be sharing naman any news or updates regarding this if you guys are very interested in doing so. So may nag-comment si Reynaldo, may bumili siguro ng large sum before, sabay labas ng news, tapos benta nila agad. Baka lang. Posible yan, Reynaldo. So hopefully we receive more news and we learn more about the investigation from them. So moving on. So ito nga yung nangyari, no? So normal lang siya from September, start of the September, umakyat to 230 and then back to its normal average of like 185 to 190, no? But during this brief moment nung nag-announcement siya, ang daming volume, dumami yung volume, umabot pa ng 239 or 238 yung candle na yan. Pero bumaba siya back to 180, no? So for those who want to know what the candles mean, leave a comment naman para we can teach how candles work and whatnot. Pero basically, in this candle, meaning a time period within the 4 hours, umabot ng 235 yung Litecoin. Pero nag-end naman ng 180 yung presyo ng Litecoin. In US dollars to. In US dollars. If you look further or you look down the lower time frame, per 5 minutes yata to, literal, parang nag-roller coaster ka na lang eh. May nakita akong comment, parang Abu Dhabi, yung Burj Khalifa raw, kamukha na ng Litecoin pump and dump. So, very interesting. I hope wala naman tayo nasunog dun. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, guys. Baka we can investigate other coins rin that may be under this kind of guys. No? So, moving on. So the next news is $1.2 billion in Ether withdrawn from centralized exchanges and record daily outflow. So more than $1 billion worth of Ether has been removed from centralized exchanges in 24 hours, leading to speculation about imminent price gains for Ethereum as supply shrinks on many trading venues. According to data shared by crypto analytics provider Into the Block, which is also available on your PDAX app, $1.2 billion worth of ETH was withdrawn on September 16, so yesterday lang, to mark a new record in short-term outflows from exchanges. Into the Block also noted that Ether's price rallied by 60% in the 30 days after $1 billion was pulled out from centralized trading in April, right? So we're trying to see if there may be a repeat of history here back in April, which may happen again in September, right? Yung sinabi nilang net amount of ETH leaving exchanges just hit a new record, right? So the last time it did that, Ethereum increased by 60% within 30 days. So fun fact, guys, Into the Block is integrated with PDAX on the app. No? So if you go on our mobile app, you'll be able to check out Into the Block and learn about insights and analytics on how many people are holding, how many people are in profit. So hopefully it will be able to guide you in your decisions in trading. No? For me, alam mo na yan. And Nix is not here. Sana Nix was here, no? Pero I'm sure Nix will be grinning. He's grinning to his ears, grinning to the clouds, no? Kasi alam ko very Ethereum supporter yan. So just like me, very bullish and I'm very excited for this. But we all know naman it's not just about leaving exchanges. It's also dapat siguro a bigger narrative of sort kasi kakatapos lang EIP 1559. Maybe there's this other narrative that's forming for Ethereum, right? And very excited to see how it goes. I hope everyone may take advantage of this. Although, syempre, it's not confirmation of a bullish or bearish signal, but just the facts, right? Because anyone can analyze this data on-chain. Kasi nasa blockchain na yan, eh, makikita naman, okay, from a certain exchange, labas yan from the certain exchange onto their wallets, reducing the supply on the exchanges mismo, right? So, hopefully, we'll be able to see and take advantage of what will happen next, right? So, tingnan natin mga comments. Same ETH fan from here. Yun. parang may big selling ulit ngayon sa ETH. Same thing happened din sa XRP after mistakenly relist sa Coinbase. Oh, nangyari nga rin yun, no? Na-relist yung coin ng XRP briefly pero na-correct. I think this is referring to the Litecoin pump and dump, no? That's a very good point, no, Jai? Di siya nangyari sa PDAX kasi available naman yung XRP sa PDAX pero very interesting developments also and similarities, right? So before we move on, I just wanted to introduce and welcome back to the show. One and only. I think you guys liked them, mga ka-PDAX, you enjoyed this company. So I'm just gonna introduce back here. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the News Weekly, Kenneth. Well, hey, what's up, Kenneth?
Hey, what's up, PDAX Kyle?
Yun.
Nag-solo flight ka kanina.
Oo nga, nag-solo flight nga ako kanina. Pero okay lang, you're here with me. And
yeah, special guest part 2.
Thanks for coming back. Yeah, thanks for coming back. Really appreciate it. Na.
Pwede tayo mag-podcast nito, parang ano.
Let us
talking about the news.
Mga ka-PDAX, baka you prefer this versus Facebook or YouTube, no? Parang Spotify na lang tayo, no? Para ma-2x yung speed ng listening speed or what. You know? You know? See. We can make it shorter form also. Let us know if you guys wanted shorter form na 10 minutes to 15 minutes na lang. No need for 1 hour na live. Gusto niyo 10 to 15 minutes pre-recorded na. So let us know. Si Ariel nag-hodl and naka-TP 8% in Ethereum. Nice. Ikaw, Kenneth, nakabili ka ba ng Ethereum? Ng Ether, sorry.
Oh, before, yeah, nakabili na ako. Hodl lang.
Hodl. Got it. Sige. Let's move on to their next news, no? I'll just introduce it. So, guys, AMC, yung theater company, adds Ether and Litecoin to year-end crypto adoption plans. AMC Entertainment will not only accept Bitcoin payments for movie tickets by the end of 2022. Ay, matagal pa pala. But will also include other popular digital currencies like Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. So, sinabi nila na movie-goers were eager to use crypto as payment means for tickets and concessions at AMC locations across the United States. They're also working to finalize the necessary modalities required for accepting crypto payments. So, wow! Imagine going to SM and then, well, I mean, wala namang theaters ngayon, pero I mean, in the future, di ba? It's time to watch, Avengers number 5. Kung may Avengers man lang sa 2022. I will pay with Ether.
New news nga po, no? I thought it was the old one, pero BTC pala yung before. So they added Ether and Litecoin. Yeah. I see. Yeah, itong si AMC is favorite ng si Wall Street Bets traders. Yung mga meme stock traders na stock. No? So I think they're playing with not man playing, but they're trying to get that market of crypto market then. Yeah, of crypto enthusiasts to get their name out there probably.
Inusulit na rin nila no? Kasi yung timing ng crypto tsaka yung pag-rise ng stock ni AMC, parang they really want to stay relevant. So they're doing this in hopes na they can retain that relevance to their stockholders and to people overall. Kasi biglang resurgence yung AMC Kahit pandemic, diba? Biglang boom.
Yeah. Well, I think sa US, they're slowly opening mga movie houses, but yeah, more adoption is always good.
More adoption is always good. You couldn't have said it even any better, Kenneth. So yeah, next one, if you don't mind, Kenneth. Next news.
Oh, okay. My turn. So, OpenC exec used the platform's influence to pump his own NFTs. So the OpenC executive has been outed for hyping non-fungible tokens he purchased, then featuring them on the homepage of the popular NFT marketplace. A move that presumably allowed him to sell the art pieces for a quick profit. OpenC confirmed the allegations in a blog post that appeared on Wednesday. So yeah, they may quote dito. Yesterday, we learned that one of our employees purchased items that they knew were set to display on our front page before they appeared there publicly. The post read. So yeah, they're disappointed basically kasi ginamit yung position niya sa
Parang
company to make a
trading.
profit. So insider trading in this unregulated market. But I know yung mga crypto companies like Coinbase, they don't allow their employees to trade. Actually, I'm not sure. But yun yung nabasa ko ito dati. Kaya they're gonna list a new token. Let's say Doge dati sa Coinbase. They're not allowed to talk about it. I'm not sure if may controls on them purchasing it, which is pretty, you know, pretty advantageous. But yeah, they're not allowed to talk about it to avoid this mismo.
Yeah, gets. I think, it's very telling na very young pa yung industry, diba? Kasi it's basically insider trading, flat out. Even if it's in the form of NFTs, the fact that you used information that's company and confidential, and then you use it to your advantage. By the way, the only way this was found out was because someone in Reddit or Twitter parang started poking holes and looking at the Etherscan, no? The blockchain explorer for Ethereum. They were saying, bakit parang whenever this NFT became on the front page, nag-front run ng transaction yung wallet na to, tapos it pocketed like 19 ETH on top of it. No? That's basically insider trading, and
Right.
that's something na unethical. Eh. So not only unethical, I believe it's borderline legal. Right? Say you're duping people.
Right. But good thing you mentioned that. Looking at the other side, the benefit or the positive thing here is we saw the security is pretty self-regulating. So even if there's no SEC rules and insider trading is not allowed, even if there's no watchdogs looking at it, you mentioned that someone just in the community looked at the address and noticed something fishy. So
Correct.
you couldn't do that in a well. I'm not as an expert, but you can't do that like random person saw a big hedge fund
Oo nga.
insider trading tong
Eh,
company executive or yung let's say sa PSE, insider trading tong mga big conglomerates. Wala tayong
tama.
nakikitang address na they front-loaded stuff. They have to report it. I think may rules lang of how many days after. But
That's it. Yeah.
yeah,
That's
so it's that's a positive thing I think from this news since you added that point, which I think very important.
yeah. And I think the executive is no longer with the company. So OpenC is making amends and adding that policy na bawal na gumawa ng ganyan. So looking forward.
Oh, okay.
Malaki
Hindi
ng
parang sa
yeah.
Philippines, no? Formally, but yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Hopefully other companies can follow suit if may nangyari na masama there. Sige, next. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin treasury exceeds cash held by 80% of S&P 500 non-financial companies. So earlier this week, September 13th, our idol, Michael Sailor Moon, has tweeted and they've announced that MicroStrategy has purchased an additional 5,050 Bitcoins for $242 million in cash for an average price of $48,000 per Bitcoin. If this wasn't called dollar cost averaging, I don't know what is. In the tune of 240 million.
I
As
think
of
it
September 12th,
should be
we
called Bitcoin
hodled.
cost averaging.
Oh, funny. BCA, BCA, Brad, BCA.
BCA. Pwede nga ako mag-apply, I think, as their treasury officer. Kasi kaya ko rin yung strategy nila eh. Just, just keep on buying
Average
Bitcoin.
lang. Oo nga, galing. As of September 12, they own HODL 114,042 bitcoins for $3.16 billion at an average price of $27,713 per bitcoin. Amazing. Amazing. That's and with regards to the title, no? They own more Bitcoin, yung Bitcoin treasury exceeds the cash held by 80% of S&P companies. So that's crazy. And if that doesn't speak of conviction for you, then wow. Ikaw, Kenneth, where's your 114,000 Bitcoin?
Yung bibigay mo sa akin later?
Yung mga kapidax yung magbibigay sa atin ng 114,000 Bitcoin.
Yeah, we can take a shot every time MicroStrategy appears in our crypto news weekly.
Okay.
Yun na
Game
siya
ako.
kadalas.
So, again, like bullish news, I guess, or just conviction news, right? Na just expect this to be the norm every time Michael Saylor will announce something. It's either he has bought something with Bitcoin or he will tweet something about Bitcoin. But I don't think he's planning to sell Bitcoin in a long time. Right? May price target siguro yan. Sabi nga ni Aaron, Sailor Moon, sabi ni Rinaldo, si Sailor may micro-strategies ako. Micro-transactions lang kayo sa crypto. That's very funny. Thank you for that. So, yeah. Moving on. Ito. Coinbase increases junk bond offering to $2 billion after investor swarm, guys. So, earlier this week, Coinbase announced that they would be off. Parang mag-host sila ng parang $1.5 billion worth of bonds, no? They want to mangungutang sila basically. Mangungutang sila and then they will use it to raise general operations and company research and development, right? So from 1.5 billion, naging $2 billion. So why was that the reason? The reason is because there was an influx of demand suggesting buyers hold a higher opinion of the company's creditworthiness than initially suspected by the exchange. So people are starting to believe more in Coinbase, or at least, I mean, bakit ka magpapautang sa isang tao na hindi mo naman believe, di ba? Someone you don't believe in, right? So, perhaps people are trying to get exposure kahit papaano to crypto by offering and lending to a crypto crypto publicly listed company. And that to me is very bullish, lots of money trying to pile in, and overall, even though sinabi ng junk bond, kasi usually, junk bond, imagine na lang, higher the interest rate, the higher the risk, basically, diba? Kasi no risk, no reward. So risk is proportional to your reward. So if it's 6%, sorry, di pala, 3.375%, that's typically higher than usual kasi like treasury bonds would be like 0 point something percent perhaps, or 1%. Correct me if I'm wrong, na comment na lang kayo. But the fact na this happened suggests that very bullish in terms of the news. Ikaw, Kenneth, what do you think?
Yeah, and then on the other side, so not other side from people investing, it's Coinbase also, expanding. They need more capital, I guess, to offer this in the first place. They're getting more money because money is cheap now, and I think I read something about this in their investor report before. Parang they expecting kasi and they need more capital as they expand. And they expect in the coming years, more and more people will adopt crypto. So they're expecting more and more people transacting in the exchange, and I think the capital requirements would be higher to accommodate that. And so they need this more money, billions of money.
Yun, I agree. Damn, very, very exciting. No, every week it's been bullish, and there's no sign of FUD these days, right? So, patuloy-tuloy lang, no? Patuloy-tuloy lang. So yeah, this is wrong, but that concludes the news. Kenneth, if you need to drop off, feel free to drop off. But I'll be continuing the Kyle's Trading Corner if you wanna. Yeah.
So yeah, I can listen in here and keep you company and comment if some trading tips.
Ayun. Sige guys, let's dive right into it. Are you guys ready? Comment naman kayo. Ready. No? So, if this is your first time also, this is where we try to do technical analysis kahit paano. We are not experts, as said in a disclaimer. This is also not financial advice, but it's also trying to provide a way to look at the market and perform technical analysis for those traders, right? For investors or hodlers, you can be find this a way to also dollar cost average, or I mean peso cost average, or even maybe it's a good time to buy in. So, with that being said, thank you for your comments, guys. Let us begin. So, Bitcoin, last week, sinabi ko parang ranging mode siya, parang sideways movement. And lo and behold, somehow I am a bit correct, maybe. Um, uh, Last week was September 10, right? So September 10, it was around 45,000. It broke the resistance, which was around 47,000, and now it's going at around $48,000. No, um, nag-accumulate na naman siya, pero it's seeming as if it's looking like a short-term uptrend in terms of its low of $44,500, and now it's 48K. Any targets? Maybe the next resistance would be 50,000, just because it's a mental number. Mental number being that people think $50,000 is a round number. Baka after mag-breaking 50,000, umakyat na siya to a lot higher. That's on the upside. On the downside, if you want to make a trade, then the risk would be, if you go in now, then it can go down to 47,000, diba? If you Kung bumaba ng 47,000, it can indicate a reversal of sorts for Bitcoin. But overall, it's been sort of slow uptrend, right? Steadily increasing, going up since it broke the ranging phase already, and now it's again in the ranging phase, which is sideways now. Yeah, I guess.
And I read somewhere it formed the tinatawag ng mga traders na golden cross pattern daw. Yeah, which
Nice.
is historically bullish.
Bullish. Wow. Okay. Bullish. That's very exciting also, no? So I'm definitely looking forward to Bitcoin making new highs potentially in the very coming soon. Before the end of the year, maybe. This is something personally, I don't really sell Bitcoin, so whatever news naman, it's there, right? And yeah, I appreciate buying it at lower times, right? So like kung 44.3, bumili ako ng konti. So stuff like that. Okay, let's move on. Moving on, we have Ethereum. So same as Bitcoin, it looks similar, right? Doesn't it look similar? I'm flashing right here Ethereum and Bitcoin. And every time we talk about Bitcoin charts, somehow the same na rin yung Ethereum. And the only difference with Ethereum is it hit the top of 3.6 and now it's on the downside, right? And we have to be very careful here, because if it breaks $3,500 or $3,534, then it can indicate a reversal. But if it hits the $3,534 mark and it bounces off there, magiging higher low na, which would be a good bullish indicator kasi it's been uptrend ever since, right? And last time it almost hit a high of $4,000. And right now it's trying to make that slow ascent back to 4,000 and beyond, right? So hopefully Ethereum makes a higher high soon, a lower high in this coming week, and yeah, trades high. Kenneth. Oh, possible retracement raw, sabi ni Aaron.
Yeah, so, binabasa ko yung comments. Sasabihin ko parang kinopy-paste mo lang yung Bitcoin chart, pinalitan yung labels. Yeah, I agree with joke lang, but I agree with your comments. No? I think it really follows.
The difference maybe, I feel like yung kay Bitcoin, at least parang nag-bounce na siya off its support and now it's ranging upwards. The difference with Ethereum is it's ranging downwards naman. So natapos na yung pag-hit ng support ni Bitcoin at paakyat na dapat siya kung magbe-break out siya from $48,000. Pero kay Ethereum, parang it still has yet to confirm if reversal ba to or paakyat yung Ethereum. So yeah.
Right. And daily chart to, no? Daily charts.
4-hour chart.
4 hour.
Yeah. Para we can compare naman every week. Ano ba yung development dito? Yeah. Alright. Sabi ni Paolo, definitely a drop. Let's see, sir. Let's see next week, no? So yan. That being said, this concludes our Kim. Sino si Kim? Kyle's Trading Corner. Kyle and Kenneth's Trading Corner next. And also Crypto News Weekly. Siyempre, thank you guys for watching. Very short lang this week. We're trying to find ways to make it more entertaining for you guys also. So leave a comment below rin to say any suggestions or feedback you may have for us. And syempre, we're not ending there yet, no, Kenneth? We're giving away 2 PDAX t-shirts, all right? 2 PDAX t-shirts.
Wow.
And
yeah, may kasama tayo si parang JMC.
Oo nga.
Si American. Kung ganyan.
Dalawa siya, dalawa.
Dalawa na. Ganyan ka konti, sa side by side na.
Okay, exactly. Siyempre, Vermont's na, diba? So, Christmas na, diba? So, I think may mga tao, may mga Christmas tree na rin sila eh. So, ayan.
Oh yeah, parang yesterday it was 100 days until Christmas. So
Yeah,
today is 99.
Let's start the countdown. 99. Sabi ni Kim, may clue po ba kung ano yung idadagdag na coin sa pila? Bawal kami magbigay ng clue eh. Sorry, Kim. Pero it's coming soon. When you know, you'll know. Don't worry. The first thing we'll share it is in the PDAX community. So if you haven't joined that yet, scan nyo lang yung PDAX code namin dito. There, over there. Point mo, Kenneth. There. Other side. Down. So, point kayo there. Tayo na lang mag-touch ng fingers. Ayan, sige. There. Scan it. Lahat ng links namin nandyan. So, watch out for that. Community members are usually the first to know. I suggest you guys have a crypto highlights where you focus on the best things about the specific crypto. Thank you for the suggestion. Yeah, what kind of crypto highlights would you like to learn more about? Parang yung price lang ba or yung fundamentals behind it or the charts behind it or anima developments? Like what specifically of the crypto? PDAX card, please. Thank you, sir. That's in the pipeline. Is there any chance na magka-XMR sa PDAX? No comment, sir. Tara, scan na tayo, guys. Yun, thank you, guys. So, I'll give you guys 10 seconds now kasi usually it takes 10 seconds for you guys to hear this. But, comment tayo. Comment. Let's begin the giveaway of PDAX t-shirts. Tig-isa kami ni Kenneth. And you know the drill. If you get chosen, screenshot and send this to our Facebook page so that we can send instructions on how to receive your PDAX t-shirt. Okay na ba tayo dyan, guys? Comment. Fundamental, technicals, expectations, competitive advantages. Thank you for this. Got it. Game kami dyan. We'll definitely put that into consideration. Drum roll. Pili na muna ako, Kenneth. Ikaw na next. Drum roll.
Pwede ba akong sumali dyan? Kailangan ko rin ng PDAX t-shirt.
Wala ka pa nga, no? Wala pa. Sige,
yeah, so next round.
Sige, next round. 3, 2, 1. Winner, Ariel. Hello, Ariel Wakat. Question, mag-add po ba ng more blockchain? Yes, sir. I mean, in terms of tokens, yes. Definitely, there are plans to add more blockchain. So stay tuned. And, congratulations kasi may PDAX t-shirt ka na, no? So, congrats. So, there you go. Please screenshot and, screenshot and message your Facebook page to learn more. Okay? Go ahead, Kenneth. Your turn next.
Fine. Si Morris Malagdao. Morris Malagdao. Hello po from YouTube. Yan.
Yon. Go PDAX. Congratulations, Morris. So to claim your prize, kindly screenshot this and Facebook message our Facebook page at facebook.com/PDAXPH to claim your prize. Congratulations! Woo! There is a faker here. Please do not message this person, guys. This is a scammer. So thank you. Thank you for pointing that out, no, Paolo. Ano natin, i-report natin yung scammer na yun. So, ingat po tayo, guys. Not to them, not to them. Facebook.com/PDAXPH only. Yung may verified na checkmark only, please, guys. Ingat tayo, guys. Ingat tayo. So yeah. That being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this edition of our Crypto News Weekly, 99 days until Christmas, and we will see you next week. So, goodbye mga kapidax. Thank you.